Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube monetization and exploring strategies for content creators to earn revenue from their videos. With billions of users and a vast audience, YouTube offers immense opportunities for creators to monetize their content and generate passive income. In this video, we'll uncover the various monetization methods available on YouTube and provide actionable tips to help you maximize your earnings as a content creator. Let's jump in. YouTube monetization involves earning revenue from your videos through various methods, including ads, channel memberships, merchandise, and sponsored content. Let's explore each monetization method and how you can leverage them to earn income from your YouTube channel. Before you can monetize your YouTube channel, you need to meet certain eligibility requirements set by YouTube. We'll discuss the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program, including the criteria for watch time, subscribers, and content policies, and how to apply for monetization once you meet the requirements. There are several monetization methods available to content creators on YouTube. We'll explore each method in detail, including ads, earning revenue from ads displayed on your videos through the YouTube Partner Program, channel memberships, offering exclusive perks and content to subscribers who join your channel as members, merchandise, shelf, selling branded merchandise directly from your YouTube channel, super chat and super stickers, allowing viewers to purchase highlighted messages or animated stickers during live streams. YouTube Premium Revenue. Earning a share of revenue from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your content, sponsored content, partnering with brands to create sponsored videos or integrations in your content. To maximize your earnings on YouTube, it's essential to optimize your content for monetization. We'll discuss strategies for creating engaging and advertiser-friendly content, optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags for searchability, and encouraging viewers to engage with your videos through likes, comments, and shares. Growing your audience and engagement is key to increasing your YouTube revenue. We'll explore strategies for attracting new subscribers, increasing watch time and audience retention, and fostering a loyal community of viewers who support your channel through memberships, merchandise purchases, and other forms of engagement. Analyzing performance metrics is essential for optimizing your YouTube monetization efforts. We'll explore key metrics to track, such as watch time, revenue per mille RPM, click-through rate, CTR, and audience demographics, and how to use this data to refine your content strategy, target your audience more effectively, and maximize your earnings. Compliance with YouTube's policies and legal considerations is crucial for maintaining your monetization eligibility and protecting your channel. We'll discuss copyright issues, community guidelines, and best practices for creating original and advertiser-friendly content that adheres to YouTube's policies. In conclusion, mastering YouTube monetization offers content creators an incredible opportunity to earn income from their passion and creativity. By leveraging the various monetization methods available on YouTube and implementing effective strategies to grow your audience and engagement, you can create a sustainable income stream and achieve success as a YouTube creator. Thank you for watching.